King Charles and President Trump celebrated the enduring UK's special relationship at a grand state banquet in Windsor Castle. The king praised Trump's commitment to addressing global conflicts and urged support for Ukraine against tyranny. Trump echoed this sentiment, calling the relationship special. Their evening included a military showcase and meaningful moments, with Trump expressing admiration for the royal family. Despite protests outside, the visit underscored diplomatic ties, with substantial US investments announced in the UK. It's a blend of royal charm and strategic partnership.